Zin.
In Zin.
You take the cheap rum.
And you mix.
Look at that. No, you put more than that in it.
That's way more than I put last time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a lot.
That's not a lot,
There's
though.
no ice, though. I forgot.
No more?
It's making.
Oh.
Ice?
There's some.
Oh, no, that's exactly what there was last time.
We'll just take whatever was in here.
That's not enough. Not even close to enough.
Well, I can't help that there's no ice.
It's like, no, it's stuck to the bottom.
Oh.
So, yeah.
Can we make it without ice?
No, it doesn't have any ice.
Well, we just have to leave it in
Yeah.
there, and there's we don't have the time of day. We should probably go somewhere and get like bags of ice. That's gonna be.
Yeah.